Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Florin, and today we're gonna do another tutorial about filming, how to edit a video using an iPad on LumaFusion, and how to create a LUT on Affinity Photo based on your footage. So the purpose for this tutorial is to show you guys how I do my LUTs and to teach you how to create your one, to avoid spending money on buying LUTs which most of the time doesn't fit your footage. So all you need to do is to open up Affinity Photo to prepare this, then go to LumaFusion. On LumaFusion, create a new project. I'm gonna name this creating LUT. Okay, let's import a video. I recently recorded myself for a few seconds in a car using a DJI Osmo Pocket to have a sample of video and show you guys how I do create my LUT. Okay, so no picture profile, no color grading on it. The colors look really fat, so let's create a LUT for this one. So first thing to do, the first step is to find a spot on your video which you want to use to create the LUT, to edit the color grading. I'm gonna use, let me see, I'm gonna use this one. So to do this, just tap the snapshot, and the app itself, we're gonna try to do the best screenshot of your video to create an image. So now go back to Affinity Photo, import from photos, go to photos, and you'll see the snapshot. Let's zoom out a little bit to see exactly how it looks. You can do any edit you want, so this is the place where you edit your image to color grade until it's look great for you and you're satisfied with. So let's show you how I do for my one. First, I'm gonna choose the brightness, increase a bit the contrast for about 20, then go back here and go to curves, and the curves is actually the changes on your image. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna create slightly S curve to make it a bit more contrasted, something like that. Choose the master, go to blue, create another one, and to see exactly what you did, you can go on top here where's the layers, and you can select each one and see the change, see the difference. Okay, now let's go back here, go down to exposure. Let's change the exposure for, let's increase the exposure for a little bit, for about 40. Then go back, go down to vibrance, and here you have the vibrance and the saturation. What I normally do, I just decrease the saturation because the saturation is always bring it's pop up too much the colors, and I increase the vibrance on it. This look correct for me now. Now let's go back to curves, adjustment, master, and let's try to contrast this a little bit more then. Something like that. let's see if we can change something else here. You also have split tones, shadows and highlights. Let's do something here too. Let's decrease a bit the shadows to make the shadows more darker, like -25, and also decrease the highlights, -15. Okay, so these are the overall adjustments what I actually do on my videos. You can spend more time on it and make it better, depends on what style you want to use on your video. So when you finish editing the images, you need to go here where tap export and then select export LUT. We're gonna rename this. We're gonna put LUT car, because I'm on a car. The quality to the max, 64. Then hit export and choose the place where you want to export. I'm gonna export it on my Dropbox. Let's go to Dropbox and see it's uploaded. Okay, so there we go, we have here. So now all you need to do, just go back to LumaFusion, then double tap on the video, then go to the second to user LUT, then tap here to import the LUT. We're gonna select from, it is already selected from my Dropbox. Just tap import it. Now it's gonna download the media. Once the app finished implemented the LUT, you will download it. This will automatically apply to your video, so you will see the difference on the video too. So there we go. This is the video with the LUT we just created. This is how it looks with the LUT and this without. As you can see, with the LUT and after. So this is before and this is after. Before, after. You can create different LUTs using Affinity Photos. Save them on your LumaFusion, then play around with them. Also with the LUT you can blend the LUTs into your image. So if you did too much correction on an image, you can blend it by decrease the percentage on your image. So that's it for this tutorial. This is the process of how I actually do my LUTs, how I create my LUTs on my iPad for my videos. So my opinion, guys, is don't spend money on LUTs, buying LUTs from other people, which as I mentioned before, most of the time doesn't fit your footage. This is how to create your one. Play around with them, stay safe, use whatever you have, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.